But check out this little beauty. It's a 2017 Citroën C3. Beautiful example in the black with the red roof, red mirrors and body styling. Diamond cut alloy wheels. Let me tell you about the car. It's a 1.2 petrol engine. It's a PureTech. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox. Really economical drive. Road tax on this is only £20 a year. It's had 2 owners and new. Really well maintained. It's well kitted out as well. It's got sat nav, DAB, Bluetooth connectivity. It's got reverse camera and Apple CarPlay on this as well. As with all of our cars, it leaves fully serviced with 12 months MOT. There's 3 months warranty with the car, which of course you can extend that. We've also got part exchange and delivery options available should you so wish. Any further information, check us out online, smallaffordablecars.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.
Calling me home, through the fire and snow, voices of a no, in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the old gods stand, through the storm and the blood red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Steel in the hand when the long ships sail, cold in the lungs when the night winds wail. Came from the frost where the brave don't fail. Every star got a story to tell.